welcome to my channel. I'm here to show us a new feature Slack just added, which is called AI Notes. This icon with a spark close to Huddle. To try this out, go to your DM or channel, click on it, then go to the Huddle to start a meeting. Under it, you see AI Notes, either off or on, and it will show on once it has been enabled initially in a few seconds. As you can see, it's on now. Then it show a heads up prompt to tell you about it. While we wait for that, this happens for pro version or within,
AI notes and transcription on.
yes, or within the 30 days free trial. So once this prompts up, you either close it here or you click on got it. When the huddle ends, Slack will generate a neat summary with bullet points, decision and action item, all posted in your chat. It's clean, simple and super helpful. So if you are tired of taking notes manually, give this a try. It's available in Workspace with Slack AI enabled. It saves time. So now leave end the meeting. That's the huddle. A prompt will show you when it will be ready. You see it here. Then you go to that particular huddle. Like this one we have already had. You click on it to see the huddle notes. You see, here comes the summary, the date, and the channel it happened. See the attendance, the summary and the bullet point, the action item. And under it, you see Huddle transcript, which has the raw conversation with people in it and the time. You see it here. It has time, conversation. That's the raw conversation itself, in case you miss out anything from the summary. So this will help in collaborative work, and you no longer need to integrate external app to take notes while you're having your Huddle. If you found this useful, hit like, share with your team, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorial. Thanks for watching.